Are you looking forward to delete Reels history on Facebook? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily delete the Reels history. First thing first, move into your Facebook app, into your login credentials, and make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Move into the Reels section at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside the Reels page, head over to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Different options will appear. Tap on History. Once you have landed on this page, these are all of your Reels history. You have only watched 2 videos. But in this section, you can see there is no any option or the feature in order for you to delete all of your watch history. So what else you can do is move into your profile. Click on this 3 line at the top left corner of the screen. Move into Settings and Privacy. Head over to Settings at the very top. Scroll all the way down until you see the option of Activity Log. Once found, click on it. Tap on your Facebook activity. Click on Post. Inside Post, you will see the option of Reels. Tap on Manage Reels. In this page, you will be able to see all of your Reels. All the Reels history will also be visible to you. All you gotta do is select all the Reels that you want to delete. Once you have selected, click on the trash icon and then once again tap on Delete. After that, all of your Reels history will be deleted and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.